Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Tahoe. Stock number is A7968. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Front parking sensors are going to keep you nice and safe. A look down the passenger side. You have 22-inch chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone Dueler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. You have a rear-facing entertainment center here. And up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls. Cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. And your rear seats are heated as well. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tahoe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.